Do you ever feel stuck in English conversations? What if you could understand the core of most things you hear just by focusing on 100 key words? That's the secret of fluent speakers. And in this video, I'm going to teach you the top 100 essential English verbs that will take you from a nervous beginner to a confident speaker. We'll cover pronunciation, meaning, and real-life examples for every single one. These high-frequency verbs are the foundation of English, appearing in so much of the spoken and written language you'll encounter. Mastering them is the fastest way to build your confidence. Let's get started. Section 1. The core verbs of existence and possession. First up, let's begin with the absolute most important verbs in all of English. These are the verbs for being, having, and doing. It's almost impossible to make a sentence without them. Be, past tense, was or were. She is a doctor. They were happy. Have, past tense, had. I have a question. We had a great time. Do, past tense, did. You do good work. He did his chores. Seem, past tense, seemed. It seems cold outside. She seemed tired. Become, past tense, became. He wants to become a pilot. They became friends. Exist, past tense, existed. Does life exist on other planets? Dinosaurs existed millions of years ago. Appear, past tense, appeared. The sun will appear soon. A cat appeared at the window. Remain, past tense, remained. Please remain seated. Only 2 cookies remained. Include, past tense, included. The price includes dinner. The tour included a museum visit. Lack, past tense, lacked. Our team seems to lack confidence. The recipe lacked flavor. Section 2. Verbs of communication. Next, let's learn the verbs we use to share information and ideas. Communication is key, and these verbs are how we do it. Say, past tense, said. Please say your name. She said she was busy. Tell, past tense, told. Can you tell me the time? He told a funny story. Ask, past tense, asked. I need to ask a question. She asked for directions. Speak, past tense, spoke. We need to speak with the manager. He spoke very clearly. Talk, past tense, talked. Let's talk about our plans. They talked for hours. Call, past tense, called. I will call you tomorrow. He called his mother. Explain, past tense, explained. Can you explain the rule? The teacher explained the lesson. Suggest, past tense, suggested. I suggest we leave early. She suggested a new restaurant. Add, past tense, added. Please add my name to the list. He added sugar to his coffee. Mean, past tense, meant. What does this word mean? I'm sorry, I meant to call sooner. Section 3. Verbs of thinking and learning. Now for the verbs that happen inside our minds. These are the words for thinking, knowing, and making sense of the world. Know, past tense, knew. I know the answer. She knew it was a secret. Think, past tense, thought. I think you are right. He thought about the problem. Understand, past tense, understood. I understand the instructions. We finally understood the movie. Learn, past tense, learned. I want to learn guitar. They learned a new skill. Remember, past tense, remembered. Please remember to lock the door. I remembered his name. Believe, past tense, believed. I believe we can win. No one believed his story. Consider, past tense, considered. Please consider my application. She considered all the options. Find, past tense, found. I need to find my keys. We found a solution. Expect, past tense, expected. We expect good results. I expected you to be here. Decide, past tense, decided. You must decide what to do. They decided to wait. Section 4. Verbs of movement. English is full of action. This next group of verbs is all about getting from one place to another. Go, past tense, went. We go to the park on Sundays. She went to the store. Come,
past tense, came. Please come to the party. He came home late. Move, past tense, moved. Can you move your car? We moved to a new city. Run, past tense, ran. I run every morning. The dog ran across the field. Walk, past tense, walked. Let's walk to the beach. He walked 3 miles. Leave, past tense, left. It's time to leave. The train left the station. Turn, past tense, turned. Turn right at the corner. She turned and smiled. Follow, past tense, followed. The ducks follow their mother. We followed the signs. Reach, past tense, reached. We hope to reach our goal. He reached for the book. Fall, past tense, fell. The leaves fall in autumn. She fell and hurt her knee. Section 5, Verbs of Action and Creation. This group is all about taking action, making things, and changing the world around us. Get, past tense, got. I need to get some milk. She got a new job. Take, past tense, took. Please take a seat. He took my photo. Make, past tense, made. Let's make a plan. She made a beautiful painting. Give, past tense, gave. Can you give me a hand? He gave her a gift. Put, past tense, put. Put the book on the table. She put on her coat. Use, past tense, used. Can I use your pen? He used all the glue. Create, past tense, created. We want to create a better future. The artist created a masterpiece. Build, past tense, built. They planned to build a new house. He built a sandcastle. Change, past tense, changed. We need to change our strategy. The weather changed quickly. Grow, past tense, grew. Flowers grow in the garden. The company grew last year. Mid-video CTA. If you're finding this lesson helpful, and if you've already learned something new, take 1 second to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to keep improving your English, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our future videos. All right, let's get back to our list.
Section 6, Verbs of Sensation and Perception. This section covers the verbs we use to experience the world with our 5 senses. See, past tense, saw. I see a bird in the tree. We saw a great movie last night. Look, past tense, looked. Look at that beautiful sunset. She looked out the window. Watch, past tense, watched. We like to watch sports. He watched the children play. Hear, past tense, heard. Can you hear that music? I heard a strange noise. Listen, past tense, listened. Please listen carefully. She listened to the podcast. Feel, past tense, felt. The blanket feels soft. I felt happy to see them. Touch, past tense, touched. Don't touch the hot stove. He gently touched the flour. Smell, past tense, smelled. The soup smells delicious. I smelled smoke. Taste, past tense, tasted. Let me taste the sauce. The fruit tasted sweet. Notice, past tense, noticed. Did you notice his new haircut? I noticed a mistake. Section 7, Verbs of Interaction and Assistance. These verbs are about how we connect with each other, helping, working together, and letting things happen. Help, past tense, helped. Can I help you with that? He helped me fix my bike. Work, past tense, worked. I work in an office. They worked hard on the project. Try, past tense, tried. You should try this dish. She tried her best to win. Keep, past tense, kept. You can keep the change. He kept his promise. Let, past tense, let. Please let me know your decision. My parents let me go to the concert. Allow, past tense, allowed. We do not allow smoking here. The guard allowed us to enter. Provide, past tense, provided. We provide excellent service. The hotel provided free breakfast. Offer, past tense, offered. Can I offer you a drink? He offered to drive. Meet, past tense, met. It's nice to meet you. I met my friend for lunch. Play, past tense, played. The children play outside. We played a board game. Section 8. Verbs of daily life and events. This group of verbs covers the things we do every day, as well as the events that simply happen. Live, past tense, lived. I live in a small town. My grandparents lived in London. Stay, past tense, stayed. Let's stay here tonight. We stayed at a hotel. Begin, past tense, began. The movie will begin soon. The class began at 9. Start, past tense, started. When does the race start? He started a new business. Stop, past tense, stopped. Please stop making noise. The car stopped at the red light. Happen, past tense, happened. What will happen next? An accident happened on the highway. Continue, past tense, continued. The story will continue next week. It continued to rain all day. Pay, past tense, paid. I need to pay the bills. He paid for the tickets. Buy, past tense, bought. I need to buy groceries. She bought a new dress. Send, past tense, sent. I will send you an email. He sent a package to his family. Section 9. Verbs of power, position, and control. These verbs are strong, powerful words that describe control, position, and ability. Can, past tense, could. I can swim. When I was younger, I could run very fast. Will, past tense, would. I will help you. He said he would be there. May, past tense, might. May I sit here? It might rain later today. Must, past tense, had to. You must finish your homework. Yesterday, I had to work late. Should, past form is the same. You should rest. He should have told me. Hold, past tense, held. Can you hold my bag? She held the baby in her arms. Win, past tense, won. Our team will win the game. They won the championship. Lose, past tense, lost. I don't want to lose my keys. He lost the match. Set, past tense, set. Let's set a time for the meeting. She set the table for dinner. Lead, past tense, led. A good captain must lead the team. She led the explorers through the jungle. Section 10. Final essential verbs. To finish our list of 100, here's the final set of versatile, common verbs you'll find yourself using all the time. Want, past tense, wanted. I want a cup of coffee. He wanted to travel the world. Need, past tense, needed. I need to go now. The car needed a new tire. Like, past tense, liked. I like your new shoes. She liked the movie a lot. Love, past tense, loved. I love spending time with my family. He loved his job. Bring, past tense, brought. Please bring a snack to the party. She brought me a souvenir. Write, past tense, wrote. I need to write an essay. He wrote a letter to his friend. Read, past tense, read. Pronounced read. I love to read books. Yesterday, I read the entire newspaper. Open, past tense, opened. Can you open the window? He opened the gift. Close, past tense, closed. Please close the door. The shop closed at 5 p.m. Show, past tense, showed. Show me your drawing. The map showed us the way.
Congratulations! You've just covered the top 100 verbs for daily English conversation. You have taken a huge step towards becoming a more confident English speaker. The best way to make them stick is to practice them every day. Try making your own sentences. That's how you'll remember them and start using them naturally. So what's next? Now that you've started mastering these essential verbs, the next step is to learn the core nouns that go with them. Click the video on your screen right now to continue your journey to fluency. I'll see you there.